writing students should be immersed in academic discourse so that they can begin to appropriate it for their own ends. Bartholomew contends that basic writing studies should not center simply on error. Instead, we must better understand how basic writers' lack of understanding about constructions of authority and the rules of academic discourse put them at a disadvantage in an arena that values such knowledge. As a result, Bartholomew argues that the basic writer has to invent the university by assembling and mimicking its language. Bernstein discusses the continued marginal status of basic writing students, teachers, and courses. She argues that basic writing should not be defined as remedial, but as educational enrichment, and that basic writing students should be seen as authentic members of their colleges and universities. Helping our students develop rhetorical dexterity is the primary objective of our basic writing program. The trick is helping these writers figure out how to use what they already know to learn what they don't yet know, often the language of the academy. According to Deborah Mutnick, the point of composition instruction, including basic writing, is to equip students with literacy skills along with a critical historical perspective on reading and writing in school, work, and everyday life by teaching them to, in the words of Paulo Freire, read the word and the world. By the end of the semester, basic writing students will have the ability to dig into a topic more deeply through exploratory writing and talking, strategies for translating these explorations into effective academic prose for a particular rhetorical context, an understanding of the importance of using multiple drafts to manage the complexities of writing, an ability to shape essays and frame arguments in effective and convincing ways for particular audiences and particular purposes, an understanding of and appreciation for some of the many methods and purposes of revision, an effective writing process that is flexible enough to address different writing situations and individualized enough to draw on what we already know well. An ability to read critically in ways most appropriate for rhetorical contexts, like those most often required of college-level writers, and a working understanding of MLA format and an awareness of the contextual importance of documentation styles in general.